Hello guys, alright, so today I'm gonna check on this hot water tank. Yeah, the customer said that someone came, do some work on it, and it's not lighting, so I'm just gonna see what's going on. That's the reason why it's not lighting. So everything is intact here. So I'm gonna trace the line, see what's going on. Alright, so you can see it right here. Line come all the way over. Right, so this is the problem. Alright, so this is off, you can see. So I'm just gonna turn it on. Yeah, it's on now, so I'm just gonna check it. First thing I'm gonna do is to just bleed this a little bit. Alright, so you can hear it. Alright, so you just close it back. And you're gonna let the gas wear out a little bit before you try to light it, okay? Alright, so after that now, I'm just gonna make sure this is on pilot, which is it. So what you do now, you push this in. This is pilot. You do this quite a few times until you see the blue light flashing. Alright, so your blue light is flashing now. It's ready to lit. You just put it on. You hear that, right? And if you can see that little flame there, it's on. So that's it, guys. Very easy. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you very much.